because I know what Tina wants. The same thing that she did with Chris is the same path she's walking now with Noel. And it's not gonna happen over me dead body. Me not sit down and make Tina. Me not gonna sit down and make Tina take set pants on body. Boy pick me. Because the least little thing Tina jump up and say, people are come off of she and fear pick me. Now, what she do for all of whom me remind you with she and Chef Noel. Everybody knows Chef Noel for film spicy comment them. And then me comment pan based on what in the comment section. So what she feel now is that Chef Noel is an enemy of Donna. While she hear Donna come out how much time and say Noel from Instagram, she and Noel follow them one another, and Noel always a share her out just like Wally British for all who know. We all know the blogger Legendary. Legendary is somebody like me, a 10 tour in a one blogger. So I guess Noel Cunningham went over there and comment. Nothing to do with Tina daughter, nothing. She cannot come out with a comment till now, people. That nasty object, that stagnant object cannot come out until now. For say, look, this are the comment. So if she go over there when somebody call her, tell her, say, because I said that's what these trolls do. So go over there now, Legendary Acosio. And when she looking at the comment section, she say the comment never have nothing to do with that. You cannot tell Noel Cunningham what to do. What she does now is go around. She go around and she look. Now she have a problem like she want control Noel on the internet. Me know say you could have been Noel grandmama, but you're not nobody to him. Left the woman boy pick me alone. Drunk. Sunday, Noel make a post saying that I never tell you what she do. Me know exactly where Tina come off. But Tina and me, you have to come argue with, and me drunk. Come to me. Noel say, just imagine you buy a house in a peaceful community. She can't tax you it because I say it have no substance. And when you look, boom, Queenie your neighbor. Me coming underneath it and say I would rather have 10 Queenie. I would rather have 10 Queenie than Tina. Me say so. So because she see it now, she run out for Noel. Tina and me have to come to, and me say so, and yes, I would rather have 100 Queenie live beside me, because Queenie is stagnant and Queenie is a bad mind. More than have you. Leave half of the woman boy pick me alone. You're out of order because they say nobody now, so you don't only endorse people for be stagnant. You see how it's Curly. Curly did bad mind, you know. Bad to bad, you know. He did bad mind, you know. He did bad mind. Everybody knows a Curly bad mind long time. And workless. You see Frank Curly start lick head with you. How Curly go on? You see Frank Curly start lick head with you. Curly even get more evil and nasty and bitter than you. And even workless more than you. I saw you want Noel. No, you are you out of order. Let's say you feel like so when Noel mother have to do with this. So why when Noel mother have to do with this? Oh, you don't want nobody take set pan for your picnic, but you nasty stinking dirty coke old dancehall mattress. Old cemetery old girl. Girl when I have no throat back. All germs, all zoot to peck, all dog vomit. All roofless shit house Tina Chin, Marian Walters. What you do over Canada? You sure I know where you want us over Canada? You sure I know where you want us over Canada or the woman for the award? But because you get the season, you sure I know where you want us over Canada? You sure I know well you want cuss every time because Noel they are Canada and you know so you're not getting no more deals. you're itchy and you're angry. With your nasty sloppy cake mix, dirty fetus cake. Every time you see people are strive, tell me something. Why you always in a so much bangarang with man? Because I said them ya guy ya, them ambitious. You come talk about you're on the internet before the wall away. You're on the internet before the wall away and you cause more destruction and more crosses and you go along. You don't have no substance on the internet. When somebody go come out and when your love come out, come talk about people tear down your brand. What kind of dirty brand you have when you sell yourself by licking out people back to wall? When you come on live with your thinking mouth where you not brush with the rat teeth them in night and mouth, water fly out of your mouth. When you get up and gone in a Starbucks, gonna be it as a business woman, myself when I do no business. When me I left out of my yard, me make sure from before I'm extra take sure because you to me know understand. Me make sure say everything into order. You be a cake under your fingernail and dirty. How dare you gone and you go and like so you know people business just so you sit down and do. And you see them people in a blood phone, one and all. That's why somehow sometime I run know. Anybody will take up this man business and carry go get Tina and can bet is a big one out front. But do you know nothing about the man mother? Let me tell you something. The man mother I live better than you. So what you think say that lady, no, Noel's mother, she got traumatized when she see how you live, Tina. When you see how someone wanna live a big foreign. Tina, you are try fake it. And I think you're gonna make it. You're not gonna make it because you're not working towards it. Oh, you know that the woman not come a foreign and not like it and know that she live better in Jamaica and she go yard. Cause me personally tell me one day I struggle and me picking them in all left. I hear me come know a hard life. How? I hear me come and worry about when me and my pitney them I go eat because them something don't go on in Jamaica because me and my mama, my auntie, everybody down there. So let me tell you now, she abuse substance, that a Tina problem, a Tina for go look help. Me that a one thing with me. Me no business because a lot of people, hurt people abuse substance. And when them abuse substance, the reality about it, when them abuse substance, them do it just to hurt people. Take him as your son. When you want to condemn the woman boy picnic for? Where you want the man jump down in your big precipice? Everybody when you can't, me say down to Chris. Tina care cocky feelings for. Assault, you want to go salt up now, well, I kill you want to kill up the woman boy picnic and send him to prison. With your cemetery convict old Tina. Tina Chin, why you not leave good people boy picnic alone? And you know say Noel, you feel like say Noel not have nobody on the internet. Well, I feel my son. So me I go defend him and me I go cuss. When me I come to what you going to about say Noel for send for your mother. Noel mother don't have to go to Canada. She don't have to because she not suffer down in Jamaica. You too lie. And your father suffer in the arms house. Tina, the arms house. And your father suffer in it. If the woman a sell, she a sell. So she must sell her dinner money. And Noel could have never establish up. And not everybody not have no ambition like you. Cause the same Leisha there. We on the depend out here. Who know that never know what that little baby do. See our mama there at Jamaica want send up him tea money. I'm glad you asked the question. I'm glad you asked the question. Because I tell you, my girl, I had but a vex. Our mama they are Jamaica and they want to buy a ticket and send up some tea. Come get Tina for sell and Tina selling mama tea and name the money. Tina mama can them her. She can't take care of her daughter. Because the internet is more important than her daughter. Cause on a long time Tina here, cause she would have dash it out when she don't want the plank of them as somebody. She going at somebody inbox. She go to hear Noel so which part thing come from and see somebody and then send her and then tell her say yes they know Noel mother. And I don't think although them wicked and do it. Them see people are hustling and sitting and sell a hustle. She hustle and put her son, send her son go out and put him much part in there. Where you hustle and do. All of the coke where you carry, where your penny them come out. You think you take set pan Noel out here? The worst thing what you can do, I come off of the guy mother. Because you no value for you and you don't know what it is like to be a mother. So we may ask you something, not selling after not selling. My grandmother used to sell. Someone want to know. But this dirty woman I make it look like so she want to carry down the boy when nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. When you go to Jamaica, Noel not have to hide and go to Jamaica, you know. Noel not have to hide and go to Jamaica. Big up every strong black woman we are still that is them own boss. As long as I no drugs and pussy you sell, me say yeah and cheer on hand. You talk about people, mother. Look how your thief, your mother tea money. Do man son up her thief yourself you buy her ticket. You buy your mama ticket and your mama the America. And nobody now bother you. And Noel make you stagnant out here. Bad to bad Noel know you're stagnant. That's why I run. You know how much people, you remember all the barrel woman, you know, me see you make a comment. Do you know how much people, when me know, nurses, RN, big woman, where them still, because they say them hustling and all one lady went and fear something them got St. Mary. We still a send them things got Jamaica go sell. You know how much people we still a sell? You know how much people come a Curacao, yeah? Come buy and sell? You know how much people they are Panama this morning a buy and sell? People will do it part-time, people will do it full-time. As long as I know drugs and pussy Noel mother sell me a cheer around. You could have been Noel grandmother. Everybody boy pick me a one. Then I kill you one, kill a few woman one. Me no know if I one, but the woman who no knows boy picking it. Assault you want come salt up Noel and stagnant him. But me no know it's that going on because me have to help Noel mama. But me have to turn up in her throat. Me have to go kill some of the boy cats. Me no think Noel mother would have sit down and make where you da go? See they wanna send down things to sell. So Tina have a problem. Tina have a problem, we don't know. But me no understand Tina. How Tina have a problem with Noel mother selling. And Tina sell cake. They no sell Tina sell to Tina no sell fucking cake. Tina, you cannot eat progressive people. Oh, she gonna go off a Curly and Curly her friend. No Curly didn't nearly make business deal when I mash up. You got another one. Listen to me now. Listen to me this morning. The woman one boy picking it. The woman one boy picking. Tina come here. Tina come here. That make it rather worse. That make it rather worse. I don't think I can do that for you no time soon. That make it rather. The woman one boy picnic, a big stinking girl take off your pit latrine for the woman one boy picnic head. The woman one boy pick you too damn fast. And one Tina take your mouth off of the woman one son. Take your thinking mouth off of the woman one son all sagara. You not have no Valentine's order. Me say, you know what hurt me? Everybody will have brand. Tina go after them. Everybody will have brand. Tina go after them. And Tina not take no set pan them young people out here. You not take no set. And I go and tell no encourage Noel for selling cake them America more. Me and your backside out here. He might get harder Tina, you can't stop that. The blessing from him mother, honesty, no drugs. Him mother. Kesley, she do one little business now where Tina go in go clean for the year. She a fuck up Tina head because she tired of that. A Kesley, the one that she go up with the belly from she a 14. The one that we carry her name Walters with the father that stand up like father feet. This big dirty woman, you get up every day. Pant up right now, you reach and you pass your place, you gone at the poor guy mother. One Christian lady grew up Kesley, one Christian lady, she sent her go to school and so. Look at nasty, stinking, dirty, underprivileged, dirty, nasty, coke, substance abuse, drunker. But you got abuse substance. So hold on there. Me have to go contact you. So I know Kesley at the belly where she carry up from Jamaica. You know, so it's kind of troubling with the age them. You know, so I was thinking about it, but to me know, so the drunken don't know her age, because this minute she a 43. Next minute him a 45. So the picnic that the father give up when she come up with the belly. We know that because I say, but me I go off for it. You see the house where Tina living on our Riverside Drive, where you see me put out on my platform. CG money I pay the rent, you know. Because Tina have a problem with every illegal people. So she have a illegal brother Andrew Walters, so she walk a look woman for married to him. So I want to make Tina know say, me I come off far. Same thing with the brand where you say a CJ father. When the man no want have nothing more to do with you, and you find out say the man have woman, you deport the man. Same thing you do with the woman over California, son, with your nasty self. When the man say you're stagnant and go take up another Jamaican, you tell lie. Pan the man say how the man did collect stuff and make them take the man life. You're out of order. You don't want nobody cause Batman CJ. Where you have a problem with every homosexual on the internet because they make it and CJ only make it up, only break film battle, only losing virginity careless like you. Cause the man where you say a Kesley father, he could have been your great grandfather. And you go up with case in your belly when you are 14. And when you're done, you come out, you come talk about people uneducated. Where your high school diploma, they drunk, bro. Where you go? Where your high school diploma, dead dog, underprivileged serpent, all abject. She evil when somebody go come off a young child. Where you take set on the woman picnic for? Tell me when Noel do you? Tell me when Noel do you, Tina? When Noel do you? Noel rob you? And Noel make you stagnant because theme business progressive and Noel work from Winnipeg. Stay up late at night, do catering. Nurses hospital support him in Canada. I must so something wrong with her. Cause me know say the African they give her the substance to push up in her big stinking dirty nasty and judgment bag where she carry betwixt her foot. We can't keep a secret to expose her over BVI Island. But I don't sit down him sit down. No one never born with gold spoon in her mouth. Chris never born with gold spoon in her mouth. She for swell and bust when me see all the foot. Hey, man, me tell her something, you know. Believe you me, I don't have a problem. Except me hear say Tina drop down and dead tomorrow morning. Me hold up my hand and say, thank you, Jesus. Tina down in the pit. You're not taking enough upon no young people out here. You go see them and wish them well with your thinking mouth. None of the young people them out here see them every man. Hatina vex them for them cocky. Every one of them